Welcome to your September AASL In the Know. Get ready for an unforgettable Thursday at the 2025 AASL National Conference in St. Louis. The excitement starts before the conference officially begins, with a full day of opportunities to connect, explore, and get inspired. Cultural and school library tours. Kick off your morning on a high note. Choose from 2 incredible cultural tours. Discover stunning public library architecture or take a powerful journey through history at the Kaplan-Feldman Holocaust Museum. Want to see innovation in action? Visit standout school library programs across grade levels, from makerspaces to design labs, and get inspired by how these spaces are transforming learning. Advanced registration required. Spots are limited. Partner presentations. Before the opening general session, dive into sessions from AASL's educational partners. Topics include Book List, Holocaust Education, and the Great Immigrants, Great Americans series. You'll also hear directly from the Standards Committee co-chairs about the research behind the next edition of the National School Library Standards. Welcoming session for first-timers. New to AASL or attending for the first time? The welcoming session is your launchpad. Connect with member leaders and conference veterans, learn insider tips, and map out your ideal conference experience. Idea Lab, posters, and graduate open house. All happening at once in the afternoon. Explore best practices at the Idea Lab. Dive into real-world solutions through poster presentations and connect with graduate programs to grow your career. Exhibits opening reception. Cap off the day with energy. Meet authors and vendors, explore cutting-edge tools, and enjoy giveaways and great conversations at the exhibits opening reception. See you at AASL25. That's your Thursday preview. For full schedules and registration, visit national.aasl.org. We can't wait to see you in St. Louis.